Hi, I'm Hayden.
Hi, I'm Melody.
And we are the
Kids!
And what ride are we doing today, Mel?
The test track in EPCOT.
So I'll see you guys there. Test Track is a high-speed car ride located in EPCOT Center's Future World. This interactive experience lets you design a concept car with various performance stats. Then, your car is rated as you travel through the ride.
Test Track opened on March 17, 1999. The ride originally had guests in test vehicles to demonstrate the evaluation of a new automobile. This version of Test Track ran until 2012 when an 8-month remodel began. The reopened ride has a futuristic look.
The pre-ride queue line is very entertaining. Scan your magic band and you could create your own concept car. You choose the color, shape, engine type, accessories, and more. As you change features on your concept car, it affects the capabilities of your car in different ways. A more powerful vehicle will be less efficient. You get to take a photo at the end with your concept car.
Guests now take their sim cars onto the track. When you enter the ride vehicle, your concept car is matched with you. During the 5-minute ride, you test efficiency in a wind tunnel, a capability on twisty roads, responsiveness as you avoid obstacles, and power in a high-speed run. Your ride reaches a top speed of 64.9 miles per hour, which is the fastest of any Disney World ride.
This ride has a 40-inch height requirement. It is handicapped accessible for guests that can transfer into a car. It is in Tier 1 for EPCOT Fast Pass, along with Soarin' and Frozen Ever After. This means only one of these rides can be chosen. Due to the many technical parts and high speeds, there can be breakdowns. Because of the popularity and downtime issues, we strongly suggest rope dropping this ride when the park opens. Now buckle up for a high-speed drive with the Disc Kids on Test Track.
What's the name of your car, Melody? What's the name of your car?
Black Mamba.
Wow, that looks awesome.
Good, there you go.
90 seconds, guys. 90 seconds.
There, I like that. Okay, so
Nice.
Seconds remaining, Mel.
now you've got 30 seconds.
30 seconds on hers.
There you go, just leave it.
I like it. Good job, Mommy. I'm jealous.
No tails. No tails.
15,
No tails.
14.
There, go. Okay.
All right, turn around. Let me see it. Say continue. So this is the red Black Mamba. Very nice, you guys.
I'm ready.
Automated driving technology activated.
Welcome to the Sim Track. We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface. Connecting to OnStar. SIM car performance data acquired.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIM car off-road and extreme weather sequence.
Putting my foot on the brake, it's not working.
Oh, who's in the lead?
Capability test results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
Scanning SIM car for optimal eco efficiency. Engaging eco scan for aerodynamic efficiency. Drive systems analysis. Hyperspectral imaging in progress. Calculating total enviro impact.
Look at this time.
Commencing responsiveness test.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active. Automated crash avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
Here comes the final test.
Energizing for power test. Displaying power test results. Sim track performance testing complete.
Okay. Melody. What you think?
I'm second, Hayden's first. I got first 2 times.
This concludes your performance testing.
Hi guys, we're back with the Diz Kids, and we just rode test track, and now it's time to grade it from A to F. So Melody, what is your grade for it?
My grading to A+ is a great ride and has a lot of interacting features.
Yes, I love that grade. And now it is my turn to grade it, and I give it an A+. It's super fun. The thing I love is you design your own car, which is really cool, and it gives you like first, second, third place for everybody's cars in the vehicle. And it's super fun. And my parents' grades are both A+. This is like an amazing ride for all ages, for the family. And so it was fantastic, but it goes really fast. That's what I like about it. But make sure to comment down below what your grade is. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys next time on the
Diz Kids!
Bye.